Gustav, the founder of Magura and famous inventor, inspired a brake that was revolutionary in the 90s. Magura's first hydraulic disc brake, Gustav M. Now Gustav is back, developed for your heaviest E-MTB and gravity bikes, with massive 12 and 19mm pistons for the finest precision and power. 2.5mm thick rotors open a new era and offer consistent performance top to bottom. EasyLink sets a new benchmark for installation and maintenance. Dis and reconnect your brake hose to the master at any time and without any tools. Thanks to Easy Tube technology, even shortening and reconnecting are made easy. Easy to handle and yet flexible. And we've doubled the time till maintenance. 40% more pad volume and thick rotors keep you away from the workshop. Should the unlikely need arise, our new bleed valve ensures that bleeding will be a clean process. The hydraulic inside the caliper has also been redesigned so that you can catch every air bubble with ease. This brake is more than just raw power. Magura Gustav Pro